Hey guys, got these nice folding chairs here. You can use them for parties, events, holidays, all kinds of stuff. So we just got two right now, but these are nice for when you have guests and you need some more places to sit, especially like out here in the yard, summertime. But it's real nice. They're really light. They fold up. You can store them really easy too. Fold out real nice. Got a couple handles here so you can carry them around with ease. See how comfortable they are. Oh yeah, that's nice. These are nice chairs. They fit the curvature of your back really well. Very comfortable. And then when you're done, fold them up like this. Makes for really easy storage. You can see this makes a nice addition to whatever seating arrangement you have. This might be full with guests. You need some extra chairs. You can bust out your folding chairs and everybody will have a place to sit. You might have a little table like this that you want to have some brunch or breakfast, a meal on. You only have two chairs. Well, guess what? Not anymore. You got a couple like this. Or you might not want to sit on these chairs. You might want something different. Couple of folding chairs in addition to the ones that come with that table set. Really liking these chairs with this table here. They're nice and comfortable. I might just leave these just like this. Very happy with these things. If you're looking for some folding chairs, grab some of these. Thanks for watching, everybody.